As educators, we often iterate on the purpose and the end endeavor of the school. Is it providing academic excellence, enabling high scholastic scores, or ensuring admissions at the top universities at national and international level? Well, these are all relevant and existential questions we all must ask ourselves when we envisage a school system and also consider if these goals define true student success. As a group of educators at AES, we spend considerable amount of time on reevaluating our vision, mission, and school processes, as we strongly believe that ink should never be dry, especially when the student success is impacted by the approach and ideology of the school. Our collective deliberations led us to introspect the approaches proposed by great thinkers like Sri Aurobindo, J.D. Krishnamurti, John Dewey, and Waldorf, which we tried to infuse in our school's core approach. While academics remain the primary goal of the school, shaping the moral, intellectual, and spiritual self of the student is critically and equally important. This also led us to define the portrait of an ASEAN composed of values and competencies that he or she would imbibe during the school life. Well-defined ethos of AES play a pivotal role in assuring the development of the whole learning spectrum. At AES, learning is preparation for life and not separate from core curriculum. Hence, the inclusion of pedagogies like project-based learning to make learning more relatable. Trainings and international associations augment the deep understanding of the teachers about what is relevant for the learners in 21st century and adopting a growth mindset to adapt, unlearn, and reconsider the deep-rooted conventions to pave way for new perspective towards teaching and learning. For we strongly believe that effective learning is something that is retained and embraced by the learners and not imposed on them, so that learners have more agency in the learning process, while teachers enjoy the creative space to deliver the lessons, keeping the child in the center and not just the scripted curriculum. I'm very proud to share that ASEANs are being groomed to be thinking individuals through an iterative process of self-actualization as directed through our ethos of life skills, where the strong tenets are social emotional learning, advocacy and action, service orientation, and community engagement. I welcome all the stakeholders, the parents, the teachers, and the students to be the part of the AES journey, where the process is treasured and success is a byproduct.